55th Street, I think is what it's called, Vivian Westwood store. But check this. I came here for some boots, but the boots I wanted didn't actually arrive in the US yet, the guy said. But keep this. Either gonna pick up this shirt, or this is probably a for sure cup. Little zip up hoodie. It has like a really good weighted cotton. Huge hood. It's almost like a, I don't know, like a neoprene type vibe, but kind of goes with the aesthetic of what's going on. But today's fit, you know, I got my own 222 one on, thermal jewelry, St. Laurent shades. I think these are Zara wide leg trousers, and then of course the Ricky Ramones. But I'm gonna try to get some sizes. I'll be right back. All right, guys, these are the two hoodies that I went with to try on. I literally don't know if I'm gonna get one. I don't know if I want the gray or the black yet. Obviously, the black goes with what I'm going on now, but also the gray kid goes fucking gray. This is a pretty sick shirt. I'm just not entirely sure how it's gonna fit, but what's pretty insane is this just feels quality. But let's get to trying them on. All right, so I kind of love the gray, not gonna lie. It's just like fresh. The back you can see has like kind of a cropped cut to it, and then slouches in the front, just like I usually like hoodies. I'm gonna try on the black one next, and then hopefully pick up a shirt too. But as far as right now, I'm definitely fucking with this gray. Look at that. All right, guys, so change of plans. We're gonna hit the St. Laurent store on East 57, but I gotta go to Goyard and cop a couple things. For sure, getting these two card cases. I want like a little messenger bag maybe, like my laptop, so let's see if that shit can fit like a little 13-inch MacBook. But let's see what happens. And I don't know. I think this is like one of my favorite things to do, just to like this really just travel around the whole city alone, catch a vibe, throw some music in, you know, get some iced coffee, throw the little sunglasses on just so you don't gotta, you know, just communicate with anyone, just vibe out in your own world. Also, this noise canceling shit trips me the fuck out because I literally, a loud ass city. I don't even know how this audio is about to sound, but it's nuts. But I got to New York actually yesterday, but I was super exhausted because I took a red eye from the West Coast and could not sleep for shit on that flight. And anyways, see if Goyard has the shit we need, so tap in a second. Alright guys, this asshole forgot to take some fit pics of me yesterday, so you know we got another little outfit on today. But we also went out last night to Brooklyn. We went to Public Records. Where else did we go? I don't know, some place called Union or some shit. But we're a little hungover today. But now we're getting some bottomless margaritas, I think, or some shit.
Nice.
But weather is fucking beautiful. She gotta say, we out.
Oh yeah.
On this city. It says city.
Oh, we're filming. Hey.
That's up to the vlog, guys. She gotta say. What are we doing? What are we getting after?
Easy Brian.
Yeah. Mexican. Oh shit.
Welcome to the vlog, Amelia. Stan Amelia.
I love it.
Alright guys, finished up brunch, bottomless mimosas and margaritas.
Yep.
So what's up, Chandler?
Now we're going to get drinks,
Yes.
dance, and shop.
In the West Village. Look how beautiful of a fucking day it is, guys. Anyways, we're getting in the Uber. Let's hop in a little bit. Show us the matching tabs. Amelia. It's not gonna stay on the stand. But alright guys. Spot. Hair of the doll. DJ's firing out here. Literally. It's a fucking vibe. Are we still on the Lower East Side? Where are we? Yeah. We're West Village. Exactly. We got Zach. Really, give him a little motivational speech real quick.
Okay. You really put me on the spot just there, and I'm like, I'm not good with the camera. Motivational speech. Double fist. Always have 2 drinks in your hand, not one. High noon and margarita or tequila soda. That's about it.
Yo, it's provocative. It gets people going. Okay, guys, we're spilling a little bit of tea here, alright? But, Amelia, your little brother.
Little brother dated Billy, and my boy's about him.
Anyways, little brother dated Billie Eilish, Ocean Eyes. What else is it? My Boy. My Boy. Those songs, if you're does Billie Eilish have like a fan group, man?
They all hate him.
Oh, they all hate
They
him.
all hate him.
That makes sense. How the fuck did they meet?
Oh, they met when they
In LA.
in LA. She was homeschooled. He was very a part of the like Echo Park, Highland Park people, crowd of people. And then at 13 days, like literally we're dating.
13 days?
No, not 13 days. At 13 they dated. And
They
then
were
she,
13 years old and she wrote all these songs about him.
and that's when
All her songs are tapped. All her songs.
Alright guys, phone's at 18%, but honestly, what the fuck is new? We're gonna hit this little t-shirt shop. Something. We'll see. Like, I got some fire leather jackets. Try it on. Try it on. This one looks good on me.
The Applejack.
The Applejack. Gonna make him act up. Alright, so we stopped in this little spot in West Village called Option A. Karen's pulling up a little pink trucker. We got like fucking Cartoon Network characters smoking weed and shit. I copped the XL and this tea. Welcome to Hell Square. Skull, you know, it's demon time. Time to act up. Anyways, I fucking love New York. Let's just step out here for a second, catch a little vibe. There's literally a peaches joint on like every single fucking corner right over there. But anyways, we got Amelia trying to cop some sort of marijuana thing. I don't know if it's like Delta 8, Riz, some sort of thing. But what kind of weed thing is she trying to cop? Big Rari St. Knox.
Dude, that's smart actually. Oh my god.
Keep the Riz in your pocket, you know?
Right here.
Is it Riz, like residue? Yeah. Alright. Well, my bad, bro. I apologize.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Boba goes crazy, bro.
This place is good, T-Bone. The walk,
This is such like a loud t-shirt for me, guys, but we're with it.
Such a nice symbol.
LeBron James. Alright, guys. You know, we're back on the Lower East Side. Dirty. I honestly don't know what that is, but it sounds kind of cool.
I would go in there for a drink.
Cat's Deli, which is pretty fire little spot we went to a bunch of times when my parents were here with us. Last time I was here, I stayed at this place. It's called the Hotel Indigo. They have a spot at the rooftop way up there called Mr. Purple. Honestly, some overpriced bullshit, but it's a vibe. But anyways, we're on the same street that I think round 2's on. And dude, I think that's where I met Trippy Red, that bar on the corner last time, with my dad.
You got round 2 and then we're done in surgery.
Repeat that statement.
Sloan wants to go to round 2. Cool little shop over here. But then we're gonna start drinking.
All right, let me give him the goal. Right now, the goal for I want to find like a vintage kind of varsity type jacket. We don't really want to go over $500 at this next place, but we'll see what happens. Just look how fucking just lovely this environment is. It's like 65 degrees probably. There's no wind. Like Amelia just gave me her little residue situation. I'm feeling just slightly high. So I feel great.
Oh my god.
And where? Round 2's right there. All right, we'll hit District 1. Right. District 1's where you got your last pair of shoes, right?
Yeah.
Over here. Word. All right, guys.
What? You guys look at that.
It's a little Cactus Jack Mastermind Japan collab. It's a round 2 store in New York. This place got renovated last time since I was here too. I think we'll pick this up for sure, and then I want to find a pair of these in size large. These are sexy. Shout out Eric. Alright guys, so we're copping these. Eric Emanuel pink shorts. Honestly fire. And then we're gonna pick up that Mastermind Japan Cactus Jack thing. I honestly don't like a lot of the Travis Scott stuff, but you know me. I fuck with the sequins and honestly the black skeleton vibe. It's sick. So I thought we were at the round 2 store I was at last time I was in New York, but apparently that was round 2 vintage. So I think we're gonna hit there next, and then we're probably gonna call it a day for shopping after that, and then let's hit some fucking bars. Alright guys, so we popped it. How do you pronounce this brand? Bobble House. Guys, we popped in on the Bobble House. Watch this. Chandler copped the little pleated shirt. Alright guys, we're at 2nd Street in Lower East Side, New York. What do we think of this varsity jacket? I'm kind of obsessed. This shit says sex instructor, first lessons free. No, we love weed. I feel like this one was meant to be. Chandler, how we feeling?
I'm about to get big drink.
Also, you know, I had to cop the little bro, the
Sloan plugged this shit.
little shirt. We got twin shirts and shit. How we feeling about it?
This is hard.
Yeah? Do a little spin for the boys. Hell yeah. Alright guys, pulled up to little Kieran. What's happening? It's a vlog. You know the fuck going on. Alright guys, so we were gonna close out the New York vlog, but you know, had to pull up on some little happy little things.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, I know I'm here.
No.
We got 2 more days in New York, but I was thinking about closing out the vlog, but I don't think it's ready to go, you know? Anyways, we just picked up some crazy sandwiches from some fuzz spot. We're gonna dip that shit and I don't know, fuck around and get it going.